In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot to your website using the Hostinger website builder in just a few minutes. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, navigate to the Hostinger website by entering the URL in your browser and accessing your account dashboard. Click on the Websites tab from the menu options you see. This is going to give you a list of all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. Now, it's time to access the specific website you want to add a chatbot to. Click on the dashboard option for the site you've selected. You'll find the Edit Website button. Click on it. This will take you into the website editor where we're going to continue the process. In the website editor, look for a button that says More. Clicking on this will expand additional options. From these options, navigate to Integrations. Integrations allow you to connect your website with other tools and applications that can enhance its functionality. In our case, we're going to focus on adding a custom piece of code that enables our chatbot. Once you're on the Integrations page, locate the Custom Code option. This is the feature that allows you to insert third-party scripts into your website. You probably should already have the code for your chatbot, which might be provided by the chatbot provider you're using. Carefully paste the chatbot code you've got into the Custom Code section. Be sure to double-check that you've copied the entire code snippet without any omissions or errors, as this could prevent your chatbot from functioning correctly. If you had issues along the way, a good idea might be to contact the support for the chatbot provider or Hostinger for more detailed guidance. Once you have the code pasted, locate and click the Save button. Saving is crucial because it ensures that your changes are not lost and that the script is effectively added to your website. After saving, the final step is to update your website. You'll find an Update Website option you need to click on. This publishes the changes live on your site, making them visible to your visitors. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your website will now have a functional chatbot ready to assist your visitors. This is a great way to enhance user interaction and provide immediate support or information. If you found the tutorial useful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and happy website editing.